I'm just in Japan on a bike back at Dorshi. That's the road station in Dorshi. And last time I was here, not that long ago, the video was rudely interrupted by somebody's car alarm, and then my phone memory ran out, so I didn't have very long videos. Anyway, here we are. Very hot today. It's the 8th, Sunday the 7th September. I've forgotten the date. It's anyway 7th or 8th of September on a Sunday, midday. We've come with the missus today. We've just had a bite to eat, some brunch, and thought I'd take a look at some of the bikes. It's the very popular. You see these a lot in my videos. They turn up a lot. These kind of crossover moped, come off-road sort of style moped. I think last time I got it wrong, by the way. I just remembered the CT125. I think the CT, it's not cross cub, of course. The CT, I think it stands for cross trail or something. I did look it up when I got home. Anyway. Super Cub. It's funny, really. I mean, these are timeless, aren't they? They've barely changed in sort of decades, really. These Honda Cubs, Super Cub, and they really do have an amazing following here in Japan. There's a real massive hardcore following for these. You'll see not just guys on their own, a lot of guys on their own, but you'll also see people out you'll see like big groups going out camping and whatnot. I think the Honda CBs, those classic CB shapes, designs, I think they're nice. They look nice, and the colour scheme looks nice. Yoshimura radiator on that. Interesting. And I can tell it's Yoshi. For those of you who can't, obviously most people watching this can't read Japanese, but it's got Yoshimura written in Japanese on the radiator grill. Interesting. Rear, at the rear there on the can, it's got Yoshimura on that as well. What is it actually? What is the bike? I can't even tell what it is. It's a Yamaha, but I can't tell what it is. Another Yamaha. That looks quite nice. Looks alright, that one. It's a triple by the look of that. Oh, and this as well, actually. Looking back at this one, this is a triple, so possibly, if it's a triple, possibly the 700 engine, the parallel twin 700, not the parallel twin, the triple 700. Is it a 900 triple, isn't it? I don't know. I've forgotten already. Yeah, that's the Honda Rebel 1100, quite popular. Sort of modern retro cruiser. Can't decide. I mean, it looks alright. I did sort of look into. I was sort of considering it, if that makes any sense, at one point. But anyway, decided it wasn't for me. Honda CRF 250L. What does the L mean on that one? I wonder. Well, if you watch my videos, you'll know what I'm about to say. I love these old Kawasaki's, and this is it's got carburetors on there, so it looks oldish, doesn't it? Nicely well maintained though. That seat's been changed. Looks like the seat's been changed or restored or something. It's really really shiny, that one. Tracer 9 GT. V-Strom 800, which of course is not a V engine. This is a parallel twin 800 that, as we suspected, would it didn't immediately replace, but in a way it's kind of replacing the 650, isn't it? Because 650 is now not being made. They've stopped making it this year, is it? They stopped already, but I know it's around now. They've either just stopped or are about to stop making it. There'll probably be quite a few in stock for a while. Now this is bizarre. This is the smallest motorcycle I've ever seen for road legal use. Really, really small. That helmet is a normal size helmet, to give you an idea of the size of it. It's tiny. I mean, if I put my hand, just to get an idea of how big it is. Really, really small. And it's not even a 50cc. It's the pink number plate on it means it's I forget. I think it's like anyway, it's over 100cc, 125, 110, 125, something like that. It's absolutely tiny. I imagine I'm not going to. It looks like I could pick it up with one hand. He's got an old-fashioned squeezy hooter on there that you see on like something really old, like some old vintage car, or even on a bicycle. Interesting. There's mine. Out on the V-Strom 650 today. I was out on the 250 last time, but anyway, out on the 650, and especially when you've got a pillion, you want to be out on the bigger bike. Dragstar 400. That doesn't say 400, but I can tell that is fairly sure that's the 400 version. Kawasaki Ninja 900. No, I think there was one, whether it's the same one or not, I don't know, but there was one exactly like that in the last time I was here, last video I did. People just leave their helmets on the ground or on their bikes because it's safe to do so, and nobody's going to steal it. So there we are. There are a lot more bikes here. It's not as busy as I was expecting, to be honest. Just after midday. But if you are in the area, if you live in Japan or you're over here and you're into bikes, you're on a bike, I recommend this place. I'll location tag it on the video so you can see exactly where I am. This has been Just in Japan on a bike. Catch you in the next one.